Let's start our tutorial today. Let's open up the Microsoft Word document. If you want to add the header, you can just double click on the header bar here. So if you go to the design, here has some of the option, page number, date time, info, you can put the picture, or you can adjust the margin of your header. For example, here we can put the author name, the Lee. We can put the date time, we can click on the date time. Choose the format you want. Okay. You also can tick this checkbox in order to update automatically every time you edit the document. And the document info, put the file name, author, author, the picture, we can design it and put to the right. And you can change the style of your text. And you also can put the page number, top of the page, bottom of the page. We put it to the right. That's all. We just click across the header footer. So now we go to the footer. We go to insert, go to footer. We can select the template we want. For example, this one. Document title, my document. Done. That's all the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching.